How do you create a realistic budget to buy your first home? So the first thing that you need to consider is, what are the homes selling for in your area? What area do you think you will want to buy in, and what's the general price range there? The next thing, once you have that figured out, is figure out how you're going to be funding this purchase. Is it going to be all cash? That's really easy to figure out. Is it going to be a standard bank loan, 3 to 5% down payment? Or do you need owner financing for some reason? That may be about a 10% down payment. So figure out exactly how you're going to fund the purchase of the house, and then you can determine what you need to do to save up for that. So let's look at an example scenario. Let's say a house that you want costs $200,000. We'll start off with the easiest one. You've got cash. If you have $200,000, that's the amount that you need to save. That's your budget. That's easy. If you're going for a standard bank loan, a conventional loan that's going to be anywhere between 3 and 5% down payment, you just take the cost of the home, $200,000, and we'll use 5%. So $200,000 times 5% is roughly $10,000. Now, if your credit is not the best, or maybe you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, and you don't have pay stubs to prove your income, you might need to get owner financing. Owner financing does exist out there, and at Thunder Sun Homes, my company, we do offer owner financing on certain properties that we sell. You just need to have at least 10% as your down payment. So looking at this $200,000 house example, if you need owner financing, you would have to have saved up at least $20,000, probably plus some closing costs. Now, if all those numbers that I talked about totally scare you away, you're like, I am so far away from that, it's not even funny, then one thing that we offer at my company is 0 deposit on rentals. And so if you don't have any money, but you want to be able to start saving up and you just need to get a rental, that's also an option. Just get started until you can budget enough to save for your first home.